Hello, my dear students, and a very warm welcome back. I know, exams are just around the corner, but please don't you worry one bit. Your favorite tutor is here, and today we are going to master Chapter 10 and make sure you are absolutely ready for it.
So a lot of you have been telling me that Chapter 10, the one with tuples and dictionaries, seems a little bit scary. But trust me, it's actually super simple. Just think of them as two new friends in Python we're about to meet. Ready to make some friends? Let's go! All right, first up, let's meet our friend the tuple. I always call the tuple our Pakka friend. You know that kind of friend, the one who is super dependable, and once they've made a promise, they never ever change. That is a tuple for you.
So what is a tuple really? Well, it's just a list of things, all packed up nice and neat inside these round brackets. But the most important word, the magic word you have to remember for your exam, is immutable. It just means unchangeable. Kind of like when your mum packs your tiffin box. Once she seals it, you can't just swap the sabzi inside, right? It's fixed.
And look here, this is exactly what I mean. We created a tuple, and then we tried to change one of the numbers inside it. But Python stops us right there. It gives a type error, which is basically Python saying, no way, you can't do that. It's like trying to use an eraser on a mark on your laminated mark sheet. It just won't work.
Now you might be thinking, sir, if we can't change it, what's the use? Well, that doesn't mean we can't have fun with it. We can still do some really cool things, like joining two tuples together, or repeating one many times, or even slicing out a small piece that we need.
See this? It's so simple. We have one tuple with odd numbers and another one with even numbers. We just use a simple plus sign and poof, we get a brand new longer tuple with all the numbers together. You're not changing the original tuples, you're just making a new, bigger group of friends.
Okay, time to meet our second friend for today, the dictionary. Now, if the tuple was our Pakka, reliable friend, then the dictionary is our smart friend. This friend is clever. It remembers things with labels, not just by their position. So a dictionary is a collection of key-value pairs, and they live inside these curly braces. The easiest way to think about it is your phone's contact list. The key is your friend's name, and the value is their phone number. Name is the key, number is the value. Or your class register. Roll number is the key, your name is the value. And here's the best part. It's mutable. That means we can change it anytime we want. Just look at this example. We've made a small dictionary to store marks. Mohan is a key, and his marks, 95, is the value. Now, if I need to find out Ram's marks, I don't have to count 1, 2, 3. No, I just ask the dictionary for the key, Ram, and boom, it gives me the value 89. So much smarter, isn't it? And remember I said they are changeable? Well, check out how easy it is. We need to add a new student, Mina. No problem, just add her name and marks. Oh, Suhail studied hard and improved his score on a retest? Great, we can just update his marks. It's that flexible. This is what makes dictionaries so powerful. All right, now for the main event, the ultimate exam question, the one that I promise you will see in some form. What is the difference between a tuple and a dictionary? Let's put them head-to-head in a showdown so you never forget. So, listen carefully, beta. This is the whole story. On the left, we have our tuple, the Pakka friend. It's immutable, uses round brackets, and we find things using their position number, their index. You use this when you have data that must never ever change, like the days of the week. Now, on the right, we have our dictionary, the smart friend. It's mutable, uses curly braces, and we find things using a special key, like a name or a roll number. This is perfect for data that needs updates, like a phone book or a list of prices. Okay, everyone, focus. Let's try to solve a tricky little question that catches so many students out in the exam hall. It looks very easy, but there is a small trap. Let's see if you can spot it. Okay, look at the screen. We have my tuple equals, in round brackets, 20. It looks like a tuple, right? It has the brackets. But when we ask Python what type it is, Python says it's an int, an integer, not a tuple. What's happening here? Why did we get it wrong? Have a little think. And here is the secret. It's the magical comma. This is a very important point, my dear students. If you are making a tuple that has only one item inside it, you absolutely must put a comma after it. That tiny little comma is what tells Python, hey, I'm a tuple, not just a plain old number inside brackets. Please remember this trick. It's a guaranteed mark saver. And just like that, you've solved the mystery of the comma. You all are so smart. Before we wrap up, let's just do a super quick summary of the most important points, so they are fresh in your mind for the big day. Okay, ready? Let's revise. Number 1, tuples, round brackets, are immutable, are fixed Pakka friend. Number 2, dictionaries, curly braces, are mutable, are changeable smart friend. Number 3, we find things in tuples using their index number, 0, 1, 2, and so on. Number 4, we find things in dictionaries using a unique key. And number 5, our secret trick, a single item tuple needs that magical comma. And that is it. See? Chapter 10 is not so difficult after all. You've understood it all perfectly. I want you to walk into that exam hall with your head held high and full of confidence. I know for a fact you are all going to do brilliantly. You've totally got this. All the very, very best. If this quick revision helped you, please do me a small favor and hit that subscribe button. And please share it with all your friends who might also be feeling a bit nervous. If you have any more doubts at all, just leave them in the comments below. I read every single one of them. Until the next time, happy studying.